Hello, my unicorns. I'm back and I'm back with So Good Hair. This is the packaging. So, my box, it came with my cute little purple bag full of my wig, and then you get a headband, and then you also get a cute bag with a care package. And, yeah, so now this is the cute little headband, but this is the wig. Now, So Good Hair is my favorite because their wigs are always on point, and I couldn't wait to see how this wig looked. And I also, of course, was, not disappointed. And everything about their wigs are amazing. Like, I love how this is the 360 lace, of course, and look at the curl pattern. And I also love how it's not too thick. If you guys know me by now, you guys know I don't really like the super thick wigs. This is like the scalp, the lace is like tinted, so it's already, dyed, and it's going to look natural onto your skin. It's not even touching skin, and you can see that the scalp part is good. So honestly, I didn't really need to put any makeup, but I did just to kind of add some more natural to it. So um yeah, this is what it looks like when I'm kind of trying it on, and I just can't wait to just lay it down. So what I'm doing here is I'm cutting the back of the wig, because that is the back part of the lace. And I love how the back part of this wig also has baby hairs too. So yeah, you just want to cut your lace all the way around. Now that it's on my head, it looks amazing, and I just can't wait to lay this down. So I'm going to lay this wig down, but the first thing I'm going to do before I lay it down is put my makeup on my cap. And I do not lay my cap down or anything. I just leave the cap just as it is, like so. And then of course I apply my glue.
On each other. Oh, but now that we're separated, we can't stand one another. When we were together, we never turned our backs on each other. Oh, but now we're separated, we can't stand one another. Baby, tell me why.
So now the lace is laid and it's looking nice and good. The glue is dry. I'm cutting the lace to form and fit my face. This part right here is, I have to be very careful because it still is hard for me to cut around the ear part. Like, that's still a challenge. So I am still practicing with that part, and sometimes I hate because I cut like part of the wig, but on this side, I cut it perfectly, but the other side I kind of struggled. So I'm still learning, how to cut around my ear, but you can already see how wonderful the lace looks just laid on my head. Like, it just looks so darn freaking natural. And that's the best thing about So Good Hair, is that all of their wigs is just so freaking good, like literally, and they look so natural. So now that it's laid, it's glued, it's time. I did the baby hairs, and I just wanted to show you guys like how it looks when you part the wig and stuff. Like, it just how real it looks, how natural it looks. So yeah, I was just playing around showing you guys that. And what I decided to do was do my favorite and just do a cute little rubber band hairstyle. So yeah, I started to do this section in the front of my hair. My original plan was just to do 2 rows, but I ended up actually just doing the full head. And yes, yeah, so you're gonna put the rubber band on the part that you made, like so, and you're gonna repeat this process until you're finished.
Together, we never turn our backs on each other. Oh, but now we separate. We can't stand one another. Baby, tell me why. We work together, we never turn our backs on each other. Oh, but now we separate. We can't stand one another. Baby, tell me why.
And just like that, the look is completed. Now, I didn't do a full tutorial because I did not expect this to come out looking so fly like this. But even look at the back where I had cut the lace. It looks so natural all the way around. And I really wish I would have did a full tutorial. So if you guys want to see a full tutorial, let me know. But this is the outcome. And it just looks so natural. It's so beautiful. I love this wig. I love this style. And hopefully you guys check out Sogoodhair. Give me a thumbs up even though I didn't do a full tutorial on this, but I will soon. But I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. And thank you guys for watching.